So I wanted to show y'all how a pump truck is actually operated. So you got your main truck right here. So if you look towards the back of it, you have the concrete trucks actually feed the main truck, and the concrete feeds into the boom arm. And then this guy right here, he operates that boom arm, and it swings back and forth, up and down, left and right. So he has a little joystick controller that moves the boom arm, and then that concrete feeds up into that pipe right there. You can see it being poured right now, and any adjustments he needs, he uses the joystick to move it.